Hi guys, it's me. I know it's been a little while. I have a video here for you that I'm editing that I've been compiling for a while, and it's just a bunch of clips mashed together of gigs I've done in the last 2.5 months since I really started this acting journey, as well as just random clips about me talking about the experience, and some small clips from some of my self-tapes. And I'd really like to do another video with more clips of my actual auditions because I think it's interesting. But I've run into an issue of storage on my computer, so it's hard for me to save all of those clips and also put together a YouTube video with them. So I have to be strategic about it, but I'm looking to do more of that in the future. But for now, enjoy this video, just kind of a collage of the life of an aspiring actor. And we start off here with a gig that I had in the very beginning of this journey. I found it on Backstage, where I find everything, and this was a gig where I hosted a cooking competition for a private party. So I was the interviewer, and they let me set my price. So I asked for $300, and they paid it to me in cash. So I have a few clips from that gig you're about to see here. Hey guys, so I'm here at the chopping block, about to host a cooking challenge for a private party. These are just the kinds of cookie gigs you get when you're an up-and-coming actress. So I'm hiding in the bathroom. I'll try to show you the space a little bit. It should be goofy. I have no idea what to expect. So next we're about to see a clip of me feeling myself in a wig I got off of Amazon. I think it was $20, amazing quality, and has inspired me to start a wig collection, so we're on the hunt. This was for a spy game gig, another kind of private party, corporate entertainment situation. And I played like a double agent. So this was my double agent wig. And this was a day-long thing, $150. Also required a bit of travel. So here's me in that wig. Oh, hey guys. So yesterday I got last minute chosen to be an extra in kind of some promotional material for a local theater. So it's actually like a trailer for a play, which is something new they're trying out. They've done it once before. But yeah, so I will be part of Coffee Shop Couple #2, and it is about an hour and 20 minutes on one train and one bus from my house. So that might seem like a long time, but I'm very used to using public transit at this point. I just want to make sure I plan it right. So I leave at the right time, give myself a nice buffer just in case. You never know if you have to wait. You know, you could wait 3 minutes for a train, you could wait 17, 20 minutes for a train. So just to make sure. But I've done my makeup. I feel like my natural hair looks pretty good. Day 3. So I'm just gonna go with that. And then they said to bring a few outfits, probably just so they can make sure that we're not choosing something horrific. So I'm gonna bring my bag with a few different shirts, just the same jeans, shoes. Yeah, makeup's done. Ooh, I'd love to have a water bottle. I might want to stop and get a water bottle somewhere. But it's going to be a really, really quick shoot. The call time is 12, and then we should be over by 1:30. Super fast. And yeah, just wanted to share that. Fun little last minute gig I got. They're paying $50, and you get 2 tickets to the play, so it's pretty cute. Yeah. Okay, let's go. This is my first time ever having the whole train car to myself. Just me. So I took my mask down, enjoying my tea. got 2 more train transfers after this, and then I will be at my location. So here's the finished product of me in that trailer, and I don't know how to get this video clip, so I'm just going to record it on my camera. It's me, it's me. My hair's in my face, it's me. Hey guys, would you just take a look at this? Take a look at this. Or rather, take a listen. The rain is coming down, and this is actually kind of funny because my day job right now is serving, and I serve for a place that is right kitty corner to Wrigley Field for the baseball season. So my work schedule is directly correlated to when there's games happening, home games happening or not. And the games themselves, I've learned, are directly affected by the weather. So a day like today, the game is almost certainly going to get canceled because it's been raining pretty hard, and if the field gets too wet, then I don't think they can play. I think that's how that works. I'm new to baseball. But it was funny because just about an hour ago, I was actually sitting right here looking at the rain and thinking, I bet you the game's gonna get canceled and I won't have to go into work. As I'm having that thought, I didn't hear my phone, but I got up and went into the other room, happened to look down and my phone was ringing with my boss calling me, picked it up, and he said exactly that back to me. I think they're gonna cancel the game, you don't have to come in. And I was like, whoa. So, we're synced up with the universe or whatever. Pretty cool. But today is also a really fun day because, especially now that work got canceled, I'm just gonna use the whole day to do auditions. I spent the whole morning setting up and filming a self-tape for a feature film that's here in Chicago. And it'll be this director's first feature film, but he's done some really cool shorts and it looks like a really, really cool project. So it took me a long time to get my self-tape together, but we did it. And right now it's processing, so it's uploading into the file that I'll submit for my audition. And I'll feel very accomplished once that's done, because that took a minute. And then I also am fortunate enough to have a few more things in my inbox on Backstage. One commercial that's kind of going to get back to me because they don't know when they're filming, what dates they're filming. I also have a request to submit a self-tape for a mini TV series that is also with a new director. But this kind of stuff is perfect, really. I mean, I love getting paid, I do, and this one's unpaid. But this kind of stuff is perfect for me to build my portfolio, so it's really just a give and give situation for us newbies out here. So I also need to film my self-tape for them, and he didn't send me over sides, which, by the way, sides are essentially your side of the dialogue. So it's just your lines. So directors, casting directors, whoever will send you a piece of the script, maybe a scene, maybe just a small piece, and it's a scene that your character is in, and it's usually dialogue. So what you have to do is you have to have a reader, someone else, read the other person's dialogue, and then you have to read your own lines, and those are called your sides, your side of the dialogue. Little thing I've learned. So yeah, for this TV miniseries, he didn't send me sides, he sent me the entire script. So I need to talk to him and just ask, what part do you want me to read? I'm sure he probably doesn't mind, but it would be helpful for me to narrow it down. So yeah, I got some cool opportunities to submit for today. And I'm noticing that's just really how it is. It fluctuates, you know? There was a time right before I filmed my first short film this past weekend where it felt like there was no auditions for anything getting posted. And then more recently they kind of came in a wave, so it'll be dry and then it'll be abundant, and that's just how it works. So I think it's helpful if you can kind of be ready, and it's helpful if you get called off from work so you can just put in auditions, put in auditions, put in auditions. Hi guys. I'm just palming my camera right now because I really can't be bothered. It's day 1 of my period and I just am very close to curling into a ball and not uncurling for the next few days. Luckily I don't work, so I can do that for this week anyways. But I wanted to show you my little setup. I need to get a taller tripod because obviously this isn't a long-term situation. But I have this ring light from, I guess I got it for YouTubing initially. Oh no, I got it to take my digitals when I was trying to get into modeling. But yeah, so I got my ring light here and I'm just gonna film this commercial audition real quick. They actually ask you to film it on your phone. So luckily I got the little doot doot phone holder, came with it in there. So I'm just gonna stick my phone. They want it vertically. This is the first commercial audition I've done like this. So this is gonna be goofy. I just have to memorize like a couple lines real quick, record it, and it's due by 2 p.m. So I wanted to just stay on the couch, but I was like, you know what? We're gonna send this in, see what happens, and then I'll go back to being cozy. So that's the plan. I was tired of being tired. It's helped me to understand when to rest and when it's time to push myself. Last but not least, I am gonna throw in just a few clips from different self-tapes, random, jumble them all together. Enjoy. Well, hi. Two weeks? That's our break, Derek. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I gotta take this. What should we do with them? What? I don't know. You're not my hired goons. You have some of my mail? Yeah, it's right here. Or current resident. I guess I didn't notice. Don't. Stupidity is less becoming on you than desperation. I'm pregnant. 3 weeks. Thanks so much guys for watching my video. I will be putting together more videos in the future, I promise. I have some very exciting news actually. Why not announce it at the end of the video? I'm moving to LA in 43 days according to my countdown calendar. So things are very exciting right now. I have a lot to share. I have a lot that I will be sharing with you guys. So in the meantime, vibe on, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.